Hello, how we going? Let's do some unboxing stuff, which I have brought. So, got some more buildings. I got the red ones, now I got these ones. They don't pop up on eBay very often, but that was only $44 Australian, so I was happy with that. They're really good. Next one. These are taped really well. Hopefully this is the one it's been wanting for a while. Which you can see then. Yep, that's the CN. Geez, that's packed really, really well. Stuff going everywhere. There we go. I now have this set. Very good. I've got a jewel box as well. So I can open it. So as you can see, I've got an A, two A's, and a B, which I'm happy with them. They actually look really nice. Now this is only a 7 car, I believe. Yep. Cool. There they are. Wow. They're actually the full length cars. Very good. No, then. Wow. Oh, I'll unbox some more stuff and go from there. Some more stuff. Package number first. So we'll see what this is like, the park area. And we've got another box. So, Chicago Northwestern support car. Oh, these are brand new. Wow, I realise our brand spanking new. These are brand new. Yeah, they are too. It's a brand new set. So you know if I've got the 4K, you know what's coming next, don't you? More stuff. So it's a Baltimore and High B unit. So it's good now. I'll have an A and 2 Bs, which is good. And then we've got one more. This is packed really well. So I like to see with my trains. So it's packed really, really well. There you go. You buy from this fella. He packs them really, really well. Right, really well. A bit too well. Yeah, a bit of paper. Now it tells me how much. So what have we got? We've got the 6-car set. And this is brand new as well. It's brand new old stock. So you just, yeah, can't go wrong with brand new stuff, which is old stock. You've got to pay a bit more for them. But yeah, brand spanking new. That's what I like to see. So I think we'll have to take these for a run, right? And while we're there, if you're into the Trackhawk, go over to here to Right in Bad Q Garage. He does videos on Australian muscle cars, and there's a lot of American stuff on there as well, because there's a lot of American cars over here. So yeah, have a look. He's done a video on the Trackhawk. So yeah, if you get bored, have a look. It'd be appreciated. Oh, bit on the noisy side, but that's what you get when you get second hand sometimes. All I've got to do is get the E8s for it, which at the moment they're really expensive, and I don't know why. That's the CN brand spanking new 7-car set, which is really good as well. So this is all still the same. I haven't done much. That's a real nice looking set. Same with these, really nice for brand new old stock. The main thing I've been doing is building a shelf. So I've got my Grand Rio now. I've got the 2 A's, 2 B's, which I'm happy with. I've got the extra B with them now. A nice long shelf. I've got these Southern Pacific things. It's got an 8-car set in them. A nice shelf now. Actually wasn't too bad. They didn't cost that much to build. So got most of my stuff on there. And down this end, so you've got the old shelf what was there. We'll build the frame, well, build a shelf down to the flat hotel. And then up in this area here, Same as the other side, we'll have 2 more across there, and we'll go from there. It's not the most professional job, as you can see, but it does for now. Same with there, I've got to build another shelf there. But it's coming up to Christmas time. I get to work over Christmas and New Year's, so that sucks, but that's the way it goes. And everything else is still the same. You see, and it's stopped for some reason. What's going on there? It's not happy. I don't know why. What's wrong with you? Oh yeah, it's come off. Come off somewhere, not happy. But there we go. Have a Merry Christmas and enjoy.